Backpack?
Where?
Oh, mama.
Well, Lily? He's gonna growl.
Hey, Lee. Oh my gosh.
He's growling.
Jeez.
You just need me to milk or anything, or you guys are good?
No, we're good.
Okay.
Fine.
Oh, here, I'll get it for you.
Lee. Hey, buddy.
Come on, you need to.
How you doing? Hey. Come on. How you doing? Good to see you. Oh, don't do that. That'll hurt you.
Hi, buddy.
Come on. Can you put his thing on there? How you doing? Come on.
Yeah.
Can you put his thing on? Thank you very much.
No problem.
Wait.
You
Yeah.
got him? You got him.
Ginger's looking for you too.
She's not.
You got him?
So happy.
Come on, bub.
Should be
All right, time to go home.
Come on, bub. Thanks
And you
much.
guys are good to go.
All right, appreciate it.
Have a great night.
You too. Come on, buddy.